How is technology shaping our future interactions with the world? This question, posed by Dr. Hwa A during a special session on Big Open Q&A in Health and Wealth, brings us to the intriguing intersection of human psychology and robotic technology. Dr. Lim points out an essential truth. First, we create technologies, and then those technologies begin to shape us. In the realm of artificial intelligence and robotics, especially in healthcare, an interesting phenomenon emerges. Humans tend to find traces of humanity in almost everything they interact with, from inanimate objects to sophisticated AI systems. This propensity extends to lifelike dolls, mannequins, and more recently, humanoid robots and avatars. Dr. Lim revisits the concept of the Uncanny Valley, a theory that has significant implications for how we design and interact with robots. The Uncanny Valley suggests that as robots become more human-like, our emotional responses to them improve until suddenly they do not. At a certain point of human resemblance, our feelings of empathy turn into revulsion. However, if the robot's appearance becomes even more convincingly human, the positive emotions return, and empathy levels could match those found in human-to-human interactions. This emotional dip, the Uncanny Valley, occurs when a robot looks almost but not quite human. This near-human appearance can unsettle observers, evoking feelings of eeriness or disgust. The reasons behind the uncanny effect are not definitively understood, but might include the violation of human norms, reminders of mortality, or the challenge to human identity. These factors contribute to the discomfort experienced when something is lifelike enough to be unsettling, but not lifelike enough to be accepted. Dr. Lim highlights the broad implications of this theory for AI, robotics, prosthetics, and other assistive devices. For instance, industrial robots, which bear little resemblance to humans, do not generally evoke strong emotional responses. In contrast, prosthetic limbs, which lie in the Uncanny Valley, can be lifelike yet provoke unease. From a healthcare perspective, the success of assistive technologies often hinges on their design. Devices that fall into the Uncanny Valley tend to be less well received and thus less utilized. This reception could significantly impact how effective these technologies are in aiding those with disabilities. As technology advances, Dr. Lim speculates that robots and digital avatars might become so realistic that they seamlessly blend into our lives, potentially eliminating the discomfort associated with the Uncanny Valley. He poses a thought-provoking question. Will we fall in love with robot caregivers? Moreover, as robots become more commonplace, they might reach a point of ubiquity where they're so integrated into our daily lives that they become virtually invisible, simply companions that enhance human existence. In conclusion, understanding and addressing the challenges posed by the Uncanny Valley is crucial as we continue to integrate more sophisticated robots into our daily lives. The future of AI and robotics not only promises to transform how we live, but also challenges us to rethink our emotional connections with the technology we create. As we move forward, the key will be designing technologies that harmonize with human sensibilities, ensuring they are both effective and warmly received.